Hey there, how are you? Now, a few weeks ago, I did a short lesson on this one for those YouTube short numbers, and people liked it, so I thought I'd do the whole tune. There's a whole bunch of really cool riffs in this song. It is Brick House by the Commodores. We're going to start off with basically A minor 7 here. At the 8th fret, 8, 8 and 9. So you get that 1E and, down, up, down, basically. Right? And then we're going to slide up and down. This is A minor as well, 10, 9, 10. You're going to get up 2 frets and back down 2 frets. So you get 1E and 2 and 3E and A. Yeah? So you're So the count is 1E and 2 and 3E and A. And then you hit that on the and after the 4. And then you do the same thing, but it's 1 and 2 and 3E and A. So basically the same at the end there of the second bar. So the whole riff sounds like. And that's the riff. Now, then we go into another riff in sort of part B of the verse. And it's like an A minor 6, A minor 7 thing, right? So you get this. On, down, up. And then A minor 7. And then back to A minor. And then A minor 6, A minor, right? So basically this here is a G, it's the 7th, right? Dominant 7th of A. And then this is F sharp, the major 6, right, of A. So, right, and that's your riff. That happens 4 times, then it goes back into the main riff, and then back into that riff, and then back into the main riff again because it's so awesome. And then you have one more riff, the bridge, shake it down. It goes. It's really, really fun one to play. So you're going to play A7 sus4, right? And then you're going to go. So G, G, C, B, A. So same thing again. Right, and then 5, 4, 7 on the D and A strings. All right, so that. Awesome, hey? You play that through the whole thing 4 times, and then you end it back up in the riff. And that's how you play Brick House by the Commodores. All the riffs for the chart and more, go to patreon.com/Morel. See you later. Bye for now.